we're here at Myrtle Beach, and this customer has upgraded his bike and has the older 8-inch plasma rods and wants to install the 14-inch to match his extended saddlebags and fender. So we're going to show you how to remove these with some fishing line. A lot of people ask how to remove plasma rods and other lights that have 3M tape. Fishing line works great here, so I've got a little piece cut and I'm going to get it started back behind here and just going to kind of saw it back and forth all the way down. Very simple here. And I've got through my tape. My light will now just pull right off. Light is off, and then I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to roll the tape. If the tape has been on there a long time, you may need to spray it with WD-40. Works really good if it's been on there a long time. Let that sit, then roll it. Your thumb works great for rolling this. And then once you get it all off, you can start the installation from scratch, clean the surface, and start over. And that's all there is to it.